Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ki Nongshet Skul heniga jan miets ki sajan ki lelet ban ra Plakad hakmat ka Courtyard by Marian. Ban pen pawi ki jingdawa jongki ban pen kiu no e ka bainong jongki ka ba klempen kiu la ki pausnam. Kini ki Nongshet Skul ki lelet ban ra Plakad ha Courtyard namar bagadon ka menteri katnat pratingka ka sorkar pedeng ka Nirmala sitharaman ka bawan jongo e ka jila. Kini ki Nongshet Skul ki dawa ban pen kiu e ka bainong na ka khandai spa shaka khandai hajar tingka ha ka shibnai. Kini ki Nongshet Skul ki yo bainong khandai spa na ka sorkar pedeng bat khatwe spa na ka sorkar jila hagba kila dawa kini ki sngi ban pen ki uno e ka bainong jongki khnang bakin la ban pendap ik jinan kam jongki namar baka dor ki mar ki mata kila nang kiu umentri rangba ka jila u Conrad sangma ulalit ban Kynduh eki bat ula keliru ke e kamat jinga ki jongki haba ule kren bat kawe ni kilong kumi kala yathu bagi Nongshet na jaintia kile Kynduh ya ka Nirmala stharaman ban kren bat ka halor kani bat ong ba kani ka jingle ra Plakad jongki ka long tang ban pen idang ya ki jingdawa jongki.
You have any papers? Come. Anybody want to talk?
Manu Pak Keren nak kalian jongki.
What is the issue?
So now we don't have any paper. But yesterday we already given by media news.
You given to madam?
No, only press conference. Today morning from all Jantia, cook from all Jantia, they already met her.
Okay, they met her.
Yes,
Okay.
they talked to
So
her.
it's given the papers and all.
Yes, just this.
Okay.
Chicken like Kynduh betul.
I'll also find out.
Okay, you know lagi ni I akan berikan.